In this video, we are going to look at how to swap edges in Civil 3D surfaces to get more accurate surface. So I have a surface on my screen. So I click on the surface and go to Object Viewer and check about my surface. So you can see there is some kind of error in this surface. This is supposed to be here like a complete channel or something, or curb return. So this corner should be at this level and the top should be flat. So there is some error in the surface. How do we need to correct that one? This is where we need swap edges in swap surfaces. So I close this one. So sometimes to do this you need to turn on a style that shows triangles in your surface. So to do that, you select the surface, right click, surface properties. So make sure you have a surface style which shows contours and triangles. In this case, contours and triangles. Whatever the case, it should show the triangles. So I close this one. So what I do is I'll go to here top and I make it SW isometric, and from the 2D wireframe I'll make this conceptual. So now we can see this error in a 3D mode. So if you have a low-end computer and if you have a larger surface, this might be a very hard task, but if you have a good high-end computers, this can be done easily without lagging in your computers. So select your surface, go to edit surface, go to swap edge and zoom into this erroneous area. This is the triangle where we need to correct to change the shape of the surface or the swapping edges. So we'll click this one and click here, change surface. So it will automatically swap the edge. Now you can see, I'll click escape now. Now you can see our surface is corrected. You can see it properly. So after doing the corrections, you can make this 2D wireframe and this one top. And if you need, you can go back to the object viewer and verify now your surface is correct. So if you have more errors in the surface, you can correct in the same manner.